Hey guys, Max and Max's Models here. This video was actually made last night, so here we go. Started adding some more components to the sky crane. Given the large size and the limited number of alignment pins, it was a little tricky to keep everything lined up. But, you know, enough rubber bands and tape, you can stick anything together. I also got all the windows in, and what I did this time was I actually masked them before I put them in place, and put a little piece of tape on them to use as a handle, and that made it go a little bit easier. So everything's sitting in there hard. I used canopy glue, so I'm gonna give it overnight to harden. While I was there, I had that little 3-piece Avro car, that experimental thing from the 60s. Anyway, I'd had one up on the shelf that I'd done a terrible job on, and it's only the top and the bottom and the little clear part, but when I glued the first one together using CA glue and putty, it just did not do a good job of sealing, and I wasn't going to put a lot of work in. I had a lot of other things going on. I said I'll just someday get to it later. Well, today was a later day. So what I did was I went and got some of that easy epoxy and decided, you know what, I'm going to put this other one, once I get it sanded down and fitted, I'm going to use the easy epoxy to mate the top and bottom of the new one I got, and then squeeze it out and sand it down. And that went better than I expected. So I used a more easy epoxy to putty up the nasty holes in the old one. And sure enough, squeezed it all in there. It was really easy to work with. I was really happy. It did a great job. And then sanded it down once it hardened up enough, and a couple of sandings, and shot it with some primer. And I was like, wow, this is actually working about as well as I could expect. So I'll get back on those tomorrow. I got some primer on them, and I think since I got two of them, I'll probably do one of them in Air Force markings and maybe the other one in Canadian rescue markings, since the thing was actually built in Tessalona, I think largely up in Canada. One other thing I got done while I was basically waiting for parts on the sky crane to harden was this little one-piece Jupiter 2 diorama. I primed it and painted it, and it came out looking cute, so I've got it up on my shelf right now. You know, it's in the land of the giants. I also took some time to sort out those decals I was given and got them all in the drawers according to which country they come from, you know, allies, enemies, things like that. So got those sorted. That took the better part of an hour. But all in all, I'm pretty happy with the way the day's building went for the little bit of time I had. So try and get back to it tomorrow. I got a lot of things going on the next few days, so I don't know how much model building I'm going to get done. All right, guys, that's really all I got for now. You take care of yourselves. Talk to you later. And as always, model on.